Need a recipe that makes you look like a gourmet chef without spending hours in the kitchen? This air fryer Italian Herb Cod is that recipe for you. When I first tasted this recipe, it was almost like enjoying an Italian sandwich at the local Italian deli. Yes, it was that good. Here's how to make the recipe. Start with 2 pounds of cod fillets. Pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture on them. Take out a bowl to add your wet ingredients in. We'll start with cracking open and adding 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and finally squeeze half a lime. Mix everything together until everything is combined. Take out a large bowl for your breadcrumb mixture. I already have 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs here. For our seasonings, we're using 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon crushed red chili flakes, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Mix the panko breadcrumbs and the seasonings together. Take out a third bowl for your flour. I already have 3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour here. Preheat your air fryer on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. After it's done preheating, spray the basket with non-stick cooking spray. Then we're ready to begin breading our fillets and adding them to the basket. Start by rolling the fish in the flour mixture, followed by the wet mixture. Then finally roll it in the breadcrumb mixture and place it in the air fryer basket. Repeat this process until you are out of room in your air fryer basket. I was able to fit 4 fillets in here, and I ended up cooking this recipe in 2 batches. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes. After that, flip your fillet pieces over and finish baking them for another 7 to 8 minutes. After they're finished cooking, repeat the cooking process for your remaining fillets. Then you're set to serve your Italian herb cod. These go great as a sandwich or taco, or you can pair them with a side of rice, potatoes, or roasted vegetables. These will last up to 3 days in the fridge. If you reheat them, avoid the microwave if possible and stick to the air fryer or oven. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.